Okay, hello everybody. This is Jim here, and I just wanted to give you a couple little plugs here and here about stuff. I mean, the first thing I guess I'll plug. I'm going to plug these tools here. We'll maybe do a little bit of comparison and tell you what I think here. This we restained the swing set. This is probably 14 years old, the swing set, and we put new tarps on. This is the stain we used. It's I've already plugged this a couple times, and I don't know if you're gonna hear it again. It's this is 8 years fence and stud. Let me see what's that one. And yeah, and so you have the weather doesn't dictate when you apply this so much. So it's it's 8 hours. If you apply it 8 hours before it rains, that's fine, and you can apply it on moist wood. It goes on great. You can see that right there. I rolled it on with a half-inch snap little roller there. And Olympic, maximum, stain and sealant. That's it. Semi-transparent, we use redwood, natural tone. That's what one we used here. And I think it's like 30 bucks or so a gallon. I don't remember. But let's go here now. Let's talk. So to start off with, I used to have Craftsman stuff, and that was before they had, I guess, the lithium. You know, batteries would run out all the time. And this is my little one here, Luke. And anyway, so some guys were over here doing some work one time, and I kept looking at which cordless tools would be better. I did, I would use them pretty, not a lot, not like a professional would use them, contractor. But so I was gonna go with rigid. I don't know why. I figured, the lifetime guarantee, and so the batteries even, you register your battery, and it'll be if something goes wrong with the battery in the future, you just take it in, you get another one. Same thing with this, but you have to register it. And so I ordered maybe a two-piece set, and then some other things too. I got a good deal on maybe 5-piece set. It came with the case and all. I have the case. I have all that stuff. Anyway, so and one of them was this, and it came with a drill. And I was showing off to to some folks about how powerful it was. And let me see, this thing will still work. Hold that, Luke. Yeah, I got a boo-boo on my arm. Hold tight here. And so it'll still spin.
What happened to it?
Let me see if you can see this right here. Inside there, the bit is broke off in there. I guess I used something that wasn't impact, I bought what I buy now. What I use with something that impact rated, and it's broken. And I tried everything to get that thing out. I took it in, and it was beyond the 3-year mark to where they wouldn't. And I only used it a few times. Also, I actually used it to. I would put a 3/8 inch adapter to it and take the lugs off my car and stuff with it. And I think that's what I was doing with it when I was showing off, and I broke that off in there, and I cannot get it off. And
the Home Depot. Because it's lifetime warranty?
No, because I didn't register it. It was only a 3-year warranty at that time. So if you didn't register it, so there's that. So this has been sitting in the garage for a long time. I figured I'd bring it out, but I've always wanted that other, I always wanted one of these guys, and we have one of the drills. It'll be you can switch it from hammer drill, which is pretty good, really good actually, and then or a drill, or a screw gun, and you can adjust it with the clutch here, and like this. And I think this is the one I may have gotten with this. I'm pretty sure, I don't remember for sure, but I gave it to my wife because it was the smallest one I had. And less than 2 weeks ago, I was working on this right here. Remember, Luke, I told you to give this to me, and I brought it in, or you brought it in, right? But I was putting the tarps up, and I opened the box. There was only one tarp in there, and I thought we had two. That would have been finished then. And I was going to do that before I had my shoulder surgery. You want to take a little peek? Maybe see some purple around, yellow still. It's pretty rough. Did they see it? Anyway, let's see. You see? Can they see it now?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's a boo-boo. Huh?
Can I see it?
Yeah.
I How's that all the yellow?
It's just blues. Anyway, so anyway, I had to come back out after Luke and we put the tools away, and I to take the other tarp back off because they did not have the yellow and green tarps that I put up there. They would have sent us another one, but they didn't have they were out of them. They only had solid green. So I had to take it off and package it up and send it back. So they were going to send those, and which I had to get my cousin to help me put them up because of surgery. So I came back out, took them off, and I remember that I knew Luke helped, we brought the tool in, but I forgot that I brought it back out. It stayed out in the rain, and along with the battery. And so it was a soaking bad rain. So I figured my wife's gonna kill me because I gave it to her. It has her initials on it and stuff. She uses it for different things. Like she puts brushes on it, clean stuff. Around the bathroom maybe, or in the corner of crevices or whatever. And once in a while she'll use it to screw something, but usually you put something together. You could it's really got a good clutch. You could turn it all the way down where it will not strip any screws at all. Just you can stop it with your hand real easy. Or you can crank it all the way up and really strip some stuff if you don't watch it. So I figured it was time to get her another screw gun, a light one, because let's see how heavy this is with the battery. So what I did was I've been wanting to just switch over to Ryobi. They have a very large selection of all types of different tools you can get. And rigid is limited, but they have a lifetime warranty. But I'm not a contractor. I don't need a lifetime warranty, and I should have realized that initially. So anyway, a couple days ago, I pulled the trigger, and I got these. This one right here was $160 for the whole set right there. If I wanted to go with rigid, it would be like maybe $280 or $240 or something, like maybe $250. It's significantly more. And I also, let me just do this, okay, buddy? I'm on live now, okay?
I know, it hurts my feet a little bit, bro.
Okay, right, you'll be fine. I'll let you know when you feed.
No, I'm saying that. My feet are
Okay. Anyway, so and I figured I also got to get this little cutoff thing too. I purchased the one that's for wood. It's not very thick, but it cuts metal, tile. Let me see if it tells you what it'll cut on here. And they gave me the little this one right here. Metal, stainless steel, tile, cement. Fiber. This one right here is plastic and drywall. I mean, it's a cool little thing right here, nice and light, and it has like, look what it says. It says 19,500 RPMs. So it can really crank up out there. And anyway, I purchased, I got the extra, the one with wood here. So we'll test that puppy out. And I want to see very quickly. I want to see, show you guys, because 1 pound is quite a bit. If you're holding, if you're holding a tool for a while, 1 pound is quite a bit. This thing right here, if I put this on it, this is with battery, it says it's 4.0, and if I 3.9, 4.0, if I put this on it, Luke, please, okay? Alright, okay, so don't come over here, please. And, alright, I'm trying to do something, Luke, please. Sit over there, yeah. Alright, and don't bounce around, I don't want that to fall. And this is 3 pounds, so it's a 1 pound difference. And this is what I want to.
Which one's 2 pounds?
That's 4 pounds, this is 3 pounds. Now this one, this is for my wife. She needs something nice and light, and it has, it's very good. It has, the 2-speed.
Mom, we're live!
Yes, and, no, I'm just recording it. And so it has the great clutch, and watch how slow you can. It's not through that one right there. That one right there is kind of broken because it's out in the rain. Remember that? Yeah. So it's not even mess with that thing. I don't know how long it's going to last. So that thing can go very slow. And I'm not
slower than that one.
Yeah, I think either that one or mine. As soon as it starts, it kind of spins pretty fast. I also purchased. I like the way this. I like the way this opens up. You just kind of like that. This impact rated tools you got. I mean, I'm sure they won't break off in there. I don't have to worry about that anymore. And I think they have a 3-year warranty. I registered them for a 3-year warranty. So, yeah. So, whatever they were, I registered them on the website. So it came with this
What's that one plus?
I don't know. That's just the
This
name.
one's the
And
power one,
this
right?
is, huh?
That's the power one.
This is impact.
Okay.
Yeah. And so it's for like, building something like that. It gives you a lot of power to do that.
What's this one for? Screws?
That's for all kinds of stuff, mostly like screw and stuff. And so, this is significantly, significantly smaller. I think this. I think this is with the battery on it is lighter than this. So there's that, and that thing's stuck. I wish maybe somebody knows how to fix it. So these.
So that one's lighter?
Yeah. This is light. This stuff's light.
Yeah.
And so this is what I got right here. This was like $160, and I think maybe that was like $90 or something. But I think that's cool. It's good. So I wanted to show you guys that stuff. Let me see. Maybe we'll demonstrate something here. Let me think if there's anything else I have to plug here. So I showed you guys the here's the box that little thing came in. And let's cut something. Luke, you hold it.
Yeah, I'll hold it. Yeah.
No, let me see. Let me do this right here. You hold the wood.
Oh,
I can only have one arm here. You hold wood. Let's cut something here. Let me see that. You come over here. And they have a charge. The other thing I wanted to say that the rigid batteries charge like 45 minutes or so. These charge about the same.
Can they see us?
I'm sure they can. Yeah, you can see us right here. So you need to move your hand over here. You should come over here. Step over here. Don't worry about the bugs and stuff. So you hold that down. Hold it down. Don't listen. Pay attention to what you're doing. Hold that thing down. Keep your hand. Don't move your hand. Let's go. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. There it is.
Oh, I want to try that.
No, not right now. This is the one for the wood. So let's see how smooth of a cut it has here. It's very nice and smooth. Let me see. It doesn't go very deep, but I want to try, like, I'm actually doing some tiling in here I still have to do. I've been doing it for a while. Sorry about that. And, yeah, so there's that. So, that's it. It comes with a nice little case. I'm going to let my wife use the case. She's taking this right here. And this is her stuff right here. I better just put the speaker thing down. Be careful. Oh, maybe we could drill something. Luke, you want to drill something? Want to drill something real quick? Yeah, you know this too.
I just need it up here. Oh, the screws right here.
You have to get the right, oh yeah, there's probably a bit in there too, right? Okay, so, this is one of these. Bring this one down there.
How do we take it out?
What are you bringing down? Okay, just bring it out, bring this one down here. Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna go down backwards. Can I go down backwards?
Whatever. No, just go down normal. That's not how you can have it while we're on camera here. Let's see if I can see it. Will I be able to see you, Luke? Yeah, here comes, let me move this out of the way. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Okay. Alright, good. So, let's see how it works here. Sassy, what are you barking at? We're just going to screw something, then we'll take it back apart. Yeah. Might as well use the ridges. Sure we have it. I like the way this opens, you get stuff out. Let me see if this one is such a giant pain in the butt. You know, you can't, you try to snap, once you get them out, you can hardly get them back in there. You know, that's what I found out there. This thing right here is great, you know. Pop them out, put them back in. Let's see here. Take this. You gonna be ready to?
Oh, this into here?
Yep. Let me see. You get the right size here. So you take these guys. Hey, that one fits there too. I think we use this one. Let me just make sure. Sassy. Yep, perfect. Not that one. Here, right here. Usually you take this right here, watch. You take this, right? You put that in there. And then you take this, put it in there. And, let me make sure we're out of the way here. And you take take the screw, put it in there, and put this over like that so it doesn't flip around. And put it on there, and stand up, Luke. Stand up. Screw it like right there. Hang on, don't worry about it. Let's see. I really can't help you too much here. Don't squeeze it, just put it here. And let me make sure this thing's going the right way first. Yeah, going the right way. I'm going to put it on 1. And put it right here. Just hold it like this, Luke. Take it and put it like that, okay? So, hold it like that, okay? Alright. Hold straight up and down when you do it. Straight up and down. Straight up and down. Just go. Start going nice and easy. Keep going a little faster. Keep going. Keep going. That's good. Then we get this unscrewed. You're supposed to hold it tight. You don't want it to turn you around now.
Okay.
Hang on. Now let's take it back out.
I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna do it.
Easy though. Get it in there first. No. Stop. Put it in there. All the way in there. And turn it. Don't push anything yet. Make sure it's in there. It's not in there. Because once you don't turn it, okay? Now, just do it nice and easy and hold it. You gotta put some pressure in it so that's it. You hold that. Okay, so that's our little escapade to get Carolyn a new drill. That's nice and light. Huh?
This one's mom's, right?
Yeah, yes. And so in the process, I've got one of these. Let's check this thing out. Let me see what happens here.
Can I check it out too?
See this guy right here, you take one of these, put it in, and just push it in there. Yeah, like that. Right? You wanna try?
You can try first.
No, you try. Let me make sure it's the right size.
You wanna try first?
No, you try.
Okay.
Now, just let me do it, just in case. This is kind of powerful right here. This is the. Let me take it back out.
How light's that one, Dad?
It's light. I don't want to screw it in the picture table. Yeah, so this thing's got some oomph to it. Sure, let's get it out of the way though, so we don't screw in the picture. Hang on. Okay, hang on. Dang it. This thing doesn't have like very much of a flow to it, and it's hot too. So I'm going to put this right here. Let me make sure it will go through. No, okay, so you just screw it like right there, okay? Take it, get it in there good. Hold it tight.
Yeah?
But just move it if you want, right? Stand up. Don't be sitting down on the job. And squeeze that. Don't squeeze that thing while it's in your hand. And go. Stop. That's the wrong way. That's right. Oh, Luke, you gotta keep it in. Stop. Two. Go. That's good. Pretty cool. That's the impact part of it. He'll learn. He'll get it. So, we got that. This is what we got. Guys always happy when we have tools. Carolyn's not, she's like, But also, this little thing, I thought it was cool that it has 2 lights on it. I'll show you. This only has 1 light, so you see it, and which is good. That's all you need. It'll aim right at your job where you do your work at. This thing right here has 2 LED lights on it. See, one there, and one there. See it? So anyway, thanks for watching. Rigid. Rigid's good if you're a contractor. It's a guarantee for life. I'm sure those guys use them, and they use them all day long. And then after a certain amount of time, they'll take right up to Home Depot, get another one. So, this is probably what they do, and then it's very worthwhile for them. But I don't use them all day long. This is great stuff right here. And if you see the assortment of tools that use the same battery. You know, just you know, we have one of those like a maybe 8 foot or something long that uses this battery, like a little chainsaw thing. You use it to trim your trees. We already had that, and this is the second. My cousin, he does work. He builds, you know, rock climbing walls and zip lines, and he uses Ryobi. And I had already purchased my Rigid, thinking I'm, you know, hot stuff, you know, buying that stuff. And but he always uses Ryobi, never had any problem with it. He actually came over at my surgery because we didn't have the tarps in time. He put the tarps up for me. Yeah, so this is good stuff. You just go to Home Depot, get some Ryobi stuff. Tell him Jimmy sent you, and Luke, right? So that's it. I think I did everything here. I don't know. If Carolyn was here, and while you're at it, you want to stain something, pick you up a gallon of this right here. And what else? That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Let me see, you can see me. And yeah, my shoulder will get better soon. I hope I ripped 3 rotator cuffs, torn them completely through, and also my labrum. I tore that, and it's in, like I said, it was in you know, bad shape. More than the pain, you know, when it happened, I really didn't. I didn't feel like I didn't feel pain. I felt like completely traumatized. It was one of those things like, what the freak just happened? And so you know, the pain was starting to be later on. I knew I did something bad to myself, and because I did both of them, and both my arms were forced back very, very hard. This was only a partial tear on my left, and it just got bad. Every night was really, really bad, and then I tried to do some rotator cuff exercises to build some strength, or, you know, get it. Even with a 5-pound weight, I would be in agony for 3 days after just trying it. And then I found out, then I noticed, I didn't want to tell Carolyn, because she's going to say, what the hell did you do? Because I'm pretty, you know, I move around a lot. And so I didn't want to say anything to her. She was going to say, what did you know, but I could not even hold the weed whacker up for like a minute. You know, so more than the pain, it was just the weakness. You know, I just couldn't hold my arm up. And then if I tried to do that for a while, that night I would pay, and maybe for a couple of days I'd be in so much agony. So they got an MRI. MRI said, you got some full thickness tears in there. And when they got in there and looked, it was really, you know, 3 rotator cuffs, full tear, and my labrum. And I forgot, you know, they if I could read what they did, you know, it was like at the end, it's like, oh, we irrigated it out completely, and, you know, they act like they really did something really nice at the end, and everything's fine, and we'll see. So thanks for watching, thanks for listening. Ryobi, better deal than Vigil, unless you're a contractor. So, goodbye, folks.
Time for me to go, Dad.
Time? You want to say goodbye? Oh, yeah.
Bye.
He's going to say goodbye. Luke, saying goodbye. Right? You say goodbye?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Bye.
Yeah, yeah.